wing. You'll see a slot on the rear wing which opens up and lets more air through and reduces the wind resistance, the drag resistance, and that is only usable on one part of the circuit, where you might expect it, on the straight coming out of Mandarin down towards Lisboa, and the trigger zone is just after Mandarin, but the driver has to be within 1 second of the car ahead of him before he can apply the drag reduction system. But it may have the effect of enabling cars to overtake more often on the straight between Mandarin and Lisboa. Of 2 minutes 4.997, the fastest ever lap around the gear circuit by a racing car, and very, very impressive performance it was. Now, of course, the drivers will all be vying for position.